So today's video will be about natural no makeup look. So subscribe and click the bell icon. So natural no makeup look is more about skincare and created using minimum makeup products, and it is especially for those who like using less makeup, and this is very comfortable to wear. So I'm going to first use Plum's green tea facial mist. So now green tea extract helps to combat acne and blemishes, and it has antioxidant which has power to remove uneven skin tone. Then I'm going to use face serum by Face Shop. It is white seed face serum because serum has a capacity to go deeper and repair it from there. And then I'm going to apply eye cream to my eye area. So eye cream is very necessary to remove your dark circles and then puffiness. It has like hyaluronic acid which will give you that kind of a hydration to your eye area. And then I'm going to use VLCC's Detanned Sunscreen Gel Cream. So now I'm going to skip that moisturizer because this is very thick by texture. It is protection as well as like treatment because it removes tan and gives you that glow also. And then I'm going to apply BB cream, Maybelline's BB cream, which will give me that like subtle glow. This BB cream has 10 to 20% coverage capacity. So I'm going to blend it with my fingers. So then I'm going to use this Matte Perfection Powder Foundation by Sephora in the shade 20. So how the name suggests, powder foundation, so it is like a compact foundation, powder foundation, which has a capacity, the coverage capacity is just like a foundation. So if you even skip BB cream, if you apply only this, that will also be great. Then I'm going to apply Nykaa's Brow Chica Wow eyebrow pencil in the shade Corvin Coca. This is like a dark brown shade, and it is just like a pencil which you have to sharp, and there is a brush which is next to it. You can just apply this pencil and then you can comb it out. Then I'm going to use Face Shop's Water Fit Lip Tint in the shade Cherry Kiss. So I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones as a blush, so it actually looks very lovely. And as soon as you will put it on, just immediately blend it out because if you keep it for long, it can get patchy. So this gives like really like natural blush, like really kind of that look. And then I'm going to move to mascara. I'm going to use Sephora's Outrageous Curl Dramatic Volume and Curve Mascara. So it makes huge difference. As you can see, the wand doesn't look like a lot, but it gives like great amount of volume, and then it completely curls your lashes. You don't need fake lashes if you use this. So this is the final look. Simple, very comfortable. It's not a lot. So basically your brows and mascara and lip tint will do all. So thank you so much. You can check the products down below.